Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial video from How to Log In. Are you getting an error message on your Messenger application which says Messenger is currently unavailable? Well then, in this video we will be telling you how to solve this problem. If you see the message when you open the Messenger application, then first of all you can check whether you have an internet connection or not. If you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a data connection and you still receive the message, then the next step is to check whether your phone is up to date. Go into your phone settings and then you can use the search bar to search for software updates. Go ahead and check for any available software update for your Android device. If your phone is up to date and you still receive this problem, then the next step that you can take is check whether the Messenger application is up to date. Open up the Google Play Store and then search for Messenger. Once you find the application, tap on the Update button if it is available. Then wait for the update to complete, and once the update is done, you can go ahead and tap on the Open button. Now check to see if the currently unavailable message is still showing up. If you still get the error, then the final step that you can take is go into your phone settings and go into Applications. From the Applications page, scroll down and look for Messenger. When you find it, tap on it and you will be taken into the Messenger application settings page. Press on the Force Stop button and then press Force Stop once again. This will stop the Messenger application and all of its process. Now tap on Storage and press Clear Data. Then press on Delete and all of your Messenger data will be deleted. Now go ahead and restart your phone. And after your phone restarts, go ahead and open up the Messenger application. You will have to log into your account once again, but once you do, your Messenger application will start working just fine. So that is how you can fix the Messenger is currently unavailable error on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell as well if you wish to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.